Hey, what's going on, everybody? We are at Hiccups. This is in my hometown of Anaheim, so I'm very excited to go taste for the first time myself. And you're watching Freddy Talks TV. This is What's for Lunch, and let's go taste some amazing food. So here's the outside, which is very nice and modern, very cool. And then we have the inside here, which is kind of a shabby chic look. Not the biggest of places, but big enough to enjoy, very modern. We have the lunch special, which is what I ended up ordering for food, so this is really good. Tons of value on that. We have here where the magic happens, to make specialty drinks like smoothies and stuff like that. I didn't get to taste one, but we will next time. And we just ordered a barbecue pork and garlic noodles with chicken. Check this out, it's delicious. Hey guys, so the food just got here. Look at the size of this stuff, right? I'm excited. So this is the kind of utensils they get you, nice and cleaned up. I like that it's not right, where you just get it yourself. I like that it's individually wrapped. This is the garlic chicken noodle. Check it out. You gotta get yourself a nice little portion there of noodles. Let's take a look. Oh my god, look at this. I like it. It's very garlicky, definitely. Let me try the chicken. The chicken is not too flavored, so the noodles being a little garlicky, kind of balance the whole thing. I like it. Definitely like it. Let's see if I like the last bite just as much. And now, my companion here has been so kind as to let me have the first bite as well of the barbecue. Oh no, the pork. Right, barbecue pork. Is that right? Barbecue pork noodles. So let's take a look. This looks delicious too. A little different noodles than mine. And then this goes right on top of it. And what I like, it's really cool, is that the server here came out and explained that they get little trays here, so they don't burn their hands, and we don't burn our hands. We all been to that restaurant where they kind of tell us to watch out because when we grab the plate it might be hot. So they thought about it, got the little platter like that. All right, let's go for the first bite here. I like it. It's good. It's sweet. Not too overwhelming flavors. Like this one's definitely overwhelming with garlic. This is a well balanced. I like it. Let's see if I like the last bite just as good as the first one. Hey guys, so as you can see, we didn't finish the food. It was a big portion. I'm a 6'1", almost 200-pound guy, so yeah, I'll give a thumbs up on the portions. That was really good. So no last bite today, not because we didn't want it, it's because we couldn't. Neither one of us could finish our meals. So thumbs up on that. Thumbs up on them having Christmas ready. This is really cool. It's early November 2017. They already have their Christmas stuff coming out, so that's really cool. I appreciate that. And I think we're ready for the review of the restaurant, Hiccups. Wow, congratulations, Hiccups. You get yourself a nice review from Freddy Talks TV. What's for lunch? And for the rest of you, don't forget to like my page and subscribe to my channel. And I can't wait to review the next restaurant and for you guys check it out. So be on the lookout for that. Talk soon, guys.